Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, Mr. Wilson.
Can I talk to you for a minute before I start?
Your Honor, could I have a brief moment to speak with Mr. Wilson?
Sure.
And Judge, the victim is here for Mr. Wilson.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, the first thing I'll do is appoint the public defender in this case. Even though the defendant didn't apply for it, it appears appropriate. Battery count substantial bodily harm scores at 12. What does the state feel is appropriate?
Your Honor, the state in this case is asking for $35,000 bondable, no contact with the victim through the pendency of the case, as well as pursuant to statute, no firearms or weapons clause, and DAS supervision. My office did speak with the victim. He did want a no contact order. He indicated that he said a little bit concerned for his safety. And he does believe that the defendant has drug, alcohol issues and mental health issues. As mentioned, the defendant does score 12 on the NPRA. In 2024, he has another pending felon failure to register case. 2022, failure to appear after bail arrest. 2021, fugitive arrest. 2020, a violation condition of probation arrest, as well as a misdemeanor conviction for violating a domestic battery temporary protection order. He also has another fugitive arrest. 2019, he has an affray misdemeanor conviction that was pled down from a battery by a prisoner. 2018, he has a felony conviction for sales of controlled substance. He also has a contempt arrest from that year. 2017, drug paraphernalia conviction. He has two separate convictions for probation violations. He has a contempt conviction, an assault conviction, battery conviction, and a conspiracy to commit burglary, gross misdemeanor conviction. 2015, he has a felony conviction for burglary. 2014, violation condition of bail release, misdemeanor conviction, drug paraphernalia conviction. And then in 2013, he has misdemeanor convictions for theft, drug possession, and petty larceny. The defendant in this case is again facing another violent offense where he does have violence in his history as well. So I am asking for that $35,000 bondable with conditions. And I would just ask that the victim be able to speak at the appropriate time if he would like to.
All right, thank you, defense.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Wilson is requesting a release on his own recognizance in this matter. He's willing to abide by conditions, including the no contact order, the stay away order, conditions related to mitigating substance use. If there are mental health concerns, he could be required to get an evaluation within a certain amount of time if the court felt that was appropriate. He is a member of the sheet metal union and was supposed to start a new position on Monday. He wants the opportunity to be released so he can continue with his employment. It sounds like he would likely be putting forth a self-defense argument here, so it's likely that this case would be litigated. So again, he wants the opportunity to be in the community to continue his employment. He has no interest in contacting the other individuals involved and would abide by all orders of the court.
All right, thank you. Go ahead and unmute yourself, sir, and let us know, or ma'am, whoever wants to address the court.
I don't know what to say, but I don't believe any of that. He's shown that he's came around her work multiple times, harassed all of them multiple times. He's been harassing all of us. So I just I don't believe any of that.
I would feel safer with
All right.
Yeah, I would feel a lot safer with him incarcerated right now.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Based upon the defendant risk score, which puts him in the 50th percentile of being successful or failing to appear, the state shown by clear and convincing evidence that bail outside the defendant's ability to make it is necessary to ensure the safety of the community and the appearance of the defendant will be set at $50,000. That's 50, no 10% option, no contact, separate criminal offense pursuant to statute for the maximum 120 days, GPS monitor in place to ensure that compliance before release, no firearms, checking with DAS's order, bail laws, make all court appearances, May 31st at 9 a.m. for the filing of the criminal complaint.
May I have a moment, Your Honor, please? I just need 1 minute to speak to you, that's all.
Sure, go for it.
Okay, so basically what happened is, yes, you know, Mike, I'm not going to. So yes, I do have a criminal history. Yes, I do have an addiction, but I've been getting it under wraps. That female that is sitting behind the alleged victim right now was my girlfriend. I built a beautiful life for us, and people around her, like I told her from the beginning, we're going to see that and be jealous of it and do everything they can to destroy that. I'm being sabotaged. I was just trying. I want to get my life together. I have children. I have a job. I have a house. I'm not a bad person. I'm a good father. I'm a good brother. I'm a good boyfriend, and I'm a good son. I just feel that me being in here, I'll do GPS ankle monitoring. I'll do drug testing. I'll do whatever you want me to do. What I would like to do from here is go to a mental health facility, whether in Carson or Reno, just so I can get an evaluation and get that taken care of, so I can come to court again and you can know who I am today, not who I was or what my addiction has caused me to do in the past. I haven't been in trouble since 2018. I have done a drug treatment program. I'm doing everything I can to get my life back on track. Yes, I have made some mistakes in the past, but I'm working forward to try to fix those things and be a better person to the community, to my family, to my children. And I'll never stop loving that girl that I can see on the screen right now. Amber, I love you. And I'm sorry, everybody, for the way that, you know, I make others.
All right, so Mr. Wilson, I appreciate all that, and you will get an opportunity to get the help that you need. You will have an opportunity to build a new history for yourself. Right now, the greatest predictor we have of your future behavior is your past behavior, but you will have an opportunity to make a new past when you get out. But right now, based on your criminal history, as I indicated, the science says that you'll be 50% at best likely to recommit another crime and fail to appear. And so that, with the facts of the case, it's too great a risk. So my order stands, but I do hope you get the help that you need. And anyone else up at the jail? All right, that concludes our docket. Everyone have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge, you too.